So when should you and what should you plan to spend additional money when you replace your roof? Eric here, Blue Nail Roofing, and one of the things I tell every one of my clients, and I strongly suggest, is that your underlayment is the most important component of your roof. Traditionally, black paper felt, tar paper we call it, has been used for years, and it's protected homes and subfloors and walls alike for lots of years. The thing is, it's very outdated. So these days they have what's called synthetic underlayment. And so the cool part about this, and well, I would first like to say the bad part about asphalt is that it's only good in the UV rays for about 48 to 72 hours, and the UV starts to break it down, starts to degrade. It has to be stored indoors when it's in the yard or at distribution waiting to be sent to a job. The other thing is it's asphalt based, so it's super heavy. It's asphalt saturated paper, so you need 4 rolls to cover what you can cover with 1 roll of the synthetic. And the good part about synthetic is the tensile strength is incredible. So it's 6 times lighter, 7 times stronger, and 30 degrees cooler than your traditional black paper felt. So as I tell all my customers, if I didn't spend any money on upgrading my roofing system, I would spend it on synthetic paper, because the paper is what protects our home, and really the shingles are just meant to protect the paper, keep it from rotting in the UV or blowing away. You see all the new construction with the paper up top protecting the wood until they get the shingles on, so that's the purpose of it. So check out synthetic underlayment. You won't be sorry to make the investment. It's going to be worth it. Wind or hail, call Blue Nail.